The digital world is under constant siege. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated and frequent. Protecting our data and systems is paramount. Cybersecurity is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. In this ongoing battle, a powerful ally has emerged: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing many fields, and cybersecurity is no exception. AI is particularly impactful in threat hunting, where it augments human capabilities to identify and neutralize threats proactively. This essay will explore how AI is transforming threat hunting and shaping the future of cybersecurity. We will delve into the core concepts of threat hunting, traditional methods, and the limitations they face. We'll then examine how AI is overcoming these challenges, empowering security professionals with advanced tools and techniques. Finally, we'll explore the future potential of AI in threat hunting and its implications for a safer digital world. Threat hunting is not about reacting to alarms. It's about proactively searching for hidden threats that have bypassed traditional security measures. Imagine a detective meticulously combing through evidence to uncover a crime before it happens. That's the essence of threat hunting. Threat hunting assumes that threats may already be lurking within a network even if no alarms are triggered. It involves proactively searching for these stealthy adversaries. Threat hunters are like digital detectives, piecing together clues, analyzing network traffic, and investigating suspicious activities to identify and neutralize threats before they can cause significant damage. Threat hunting is a continuous process, not a one-time event. It requires a deep understanding of an organization's infrastructure, potential vulnerabilities, and the latest tactics employed by cybercriminals. The goal is to stay one step ahead of the attackers and ensure the security of valuable data and systems. Traditional threat hunting methods often rely on manual analysis of security logs, intrusion detection system alerts, and other security data. These methods are time-consuming and require significant expertise. Security analysts often find themselves drowning in a sea of data. Identifying the proverbial needle in the haystack becomes a daunting task. Moreover, traditional methods often focus on known threats, leaving organizations vulnerable to zero-day exploits and novel attack techniques. Another challenge is the increasing sophistication of cyber attacks. Attackers are using advanced techniques like polymorphic malware and living-off-the-land tactics, making them harder to detect using traditional methods. These challenges highlight the need for more advanced and automated approaches to threat hunting. AI is revolutionizing threat hunting by automating tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, and identifying patterns that would be impossible for humans to spot. AI algorithms can learn from past attacks, identify anomalies, and predict future threats. Imagine an AI system that can analyze millions of events per second, correlating data from various sources to identify subtle patterns indicative of an attack. This is the power of AI in threat hunting. AI can analyze network traffic, user behavior, system logs, and other data sources to identify suspicious activities. AI can also adapt and learn from new threats, constantly evolving its detection capabilities. This proactive approach allows organizations to stay ahead of the curve and respond to threats more effectively. Section 5. The AI Arsenal: Key Techniques Powering AI-Driven Threat Hunting. Several AI techniques are employed in threat hunting, each with unique strengths. Machine learning, or ML, algorithms can learn from historical data to identify patterns and anomalies. For example, an ML model can be trained on past malware samples to detect new, previously unseen malware variants. Deep learning, or DL, a subset of ML, uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to extract higher-level features from data. This is particularly useful for analyzing complex data like images and unstructured text, helping identify threats hidden within. Natural language processing, or NLP, enables AI systems to understand and process human language. This is valuable for analyzing security logs, threat intelligence reports, and online forums to identify potential threats. These techniques, combined with other AI tools, empower threat hunters with unprecedented capabilities to detect, analyze, and respond to cyber threats effectively. Section 6: AI in Action, Real-World Success Stories. The impact of AI in threat hunting is not just theoretical, it's backed by real-world success stories. Case Study 1. A global financial institution used an AI-powered threat hunting platform to detect a sophisticated malware campaign targeting its high-value transactions. The AI system identified unusual patterns in transaction data that had bypassed traditional security measures, preventing a potentially significant financial loss. Case Study 2. A large e-commerce company deployed an AI solution to analyze user behavior and identify accounts potentially compromised by credential stuffing attacks. The AI system successfully identified and flagged thousands of compromised accounts, protecting both the company and its customers. These examples demonstrate the tangible benefits of AI in threat hunting, protecting organizations from various cyber threats. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more impressive success stories in the future. Section 7. Beyond the Horizon, the future of AI in threat hunting. The future of AI in threat hunting is bright. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate even more sophisticated and effective threat hunting solutions. One promising area is the development of AI systems capable of autonomous threat hunting. These systems would proactively search for and neutralize threats without human intervention, freeing up security analysts to focus on more strategic tasks. Another exciting development is the integration of AI with other emerging technologies like quantum computing and blockchain. Quantum computing could enhance the speed and efficiency of AI algorithms, while blockchain could improve data security and integrity in threat hunting platforms. Section 8. The Human Element. Why human expertise remains crucial. While AI is a game-changer in threat hunting, it's not a silver bullet. Human expertise remains essential for several reasons. Firstly, AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. Human analysts are needed to ensure the accuracy and relevance of training data and to fine-tune AI models for optimal performance. Secondly, AI systems can sometimes generate false positives, flagging benign activities as suspicious. Human analysts are crucial for investigating these alerts, separating the wheat from the chaff, and making informed decisions. Finally, AI systems can't replace the intuition, creativity, and strategic thinking of human analysts. Threat hunting is not just about analyzing data, it's about understanding the motivations and tactics of attackers, anticipating their next move, and developing proactive defense strategies. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the power of AI for a safer digital future. AI is revolutionizing the field of cybersecurity, particularly in threat hunting. By automating tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, and identifying patterns invisible to the human eye, AI empowers security professionals to stay ahead of the curve and protect their organizations from increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more powerful and autonomous threat hunting solutions to emerge. However, it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human expertise. The most effective approach to threat hunting combines the strengths of AI with the experience, intuition, and strategic thinking of human analysts. By embracing the power of AI and fostering a strong partnership between humans and machines, we can create a safer and more secure digital future for everyone.